USDT pool mining scam recovery. What are my options for recovering money from Coinbase ETH/USDT liquidity mining scams? Coinbase ETH/USDT liquidity mining scams. We can get your money back. USDT pool mining claims to be a DeFi mining liquidity program where participants pool their USDT, Tether, tokens to engage in cryptocurrency mining activities. The platform entices investors with promises of substantial returns on their investments, fueled by the allure of mining operations without the complexities of traditional mining setups. The scam uses enticing marketing strategies to lure victims into joining the pool, appealing to their desire for passive income and high-profit opportunities. Ethereum/USDT mining pool scams have increased, mainly through the Coinbase wallet. These scams have duped unsuspecting crypto investors and resulted in the loss of millions of dollars. In these scams, fraudsters lure investors by promising high returns on their investments in Ethereum/USDT mining pools. They may offer attractive referral bonuses and incentives to entice new investors. These mining pools are supposed to allow investors to pool their resources and share in the profits generated by the mining of Ethereum/USDT. However, these mining pools are often fraudulent and don't exist. Investors who send their cryptocurrency to these mining pools now dispute any returns on their investment, and their funds can be easily reversed from multiple addresses, making it easy to dispute and recover them. One common tactic scammers use is creating fake websites that look like legitimate mining pool websites. These websites often use fake testimonials and fake mining data to make themselves appear more credible. They may also create fake social media profiles to promote their scams and gain more victims. How returns work. USDT pool mining operates on a Ponzi-like model, relying on new investments to pay returns to earlier investors. This method gives the illusion of a profitable venture and attracts more participants, investing more significant sums. As the scam gains traction and more funds flow in, returns appear sustainable, drawing in even more victims. If you suspect a scam case, file for recovery on www.globaltraceassets.com. How it works. USDT pool mining is a fraudulent scheme designed to deceive investors and enrich the scammers behind it. The promised mining activities are likely non-existent, and the returns paid to early investors come from the contributions of later ones. As long as new investors keep joining, the scammers can continue paying returns to early participants. However, once the influx of new funds slows down or stops altogether, the scheme collapses, leaving latecomers with substantial losses and no hope of recovering their investments. USDT pool mining scam recovery. As a wise investor, it is crucial to exercise extreme caution and perform thorough due diligence before engaging in any investment program, especially those related to DeFi and cryptocurrency mining. The competent contract audit experts at American forensic firm GlobalTraceAssets.com have raised red flags against the USDT pool mining scam, warning users to avoid it. It's sad to lose to these scammers, but the good news is you can recoup your funds and file a case to GlobalTraceAssets with the evidence to back up your claim. Consult your bank. If you paid the scammers with a credit card within the past 6 months or with cryptocurrency, speaking with your bank or the platform where the money was received or stolen is beneficial. Then, if it was a bank transfer, your bank may execute a straightforward chargeback. This is fantastic news since you will get your money back. The news is good enough if you paid the scammers using a wire transfer or cryptocurrencies. In that instance, only licensed chargeback firms like ours can help you recover money from fraud. It does not matter if the scammers are in another country, we have the technical skills to determine where your money went. Hire a professional cyber fraud investigator from GlobalTraceAssets. Hiring a specialized cyber fraud investigator from GlobalTraceAssets is by far your best option when it comes to spotting scammers. They possess the technical investigative skills and analytic knowledge to investigate potential scammers. Experienced detectives can conduct the necessary technical cyber investigations that span the world using website forensics, cryptocurrency tracking, and cryptoasset analysis. You can then approach the police, your attorney, or an asset recovery business armed with their comprehensive investigative report. They will use this report to assist you in recovering money from scammers after they get vital information, such as the scammer's name or IP address. Since this is not a cheap process and will cost you more, you should consider whether your loss is worth it. Wrapping up. GlobalTraceAssets is comprised of a team of professionals with expertise in recovering lost cryptocurrency or Bitcoin funds. We are well versed in cooperating with law enforcement in this process and have a proven track record of doing so. Did you lose your money to a cryptocurrency scam? It's still possible to get your money back. Our highly successful recovery process and our worldwide consultants will improve your chances of recovering your money from the Coinbase ETH/USDT liquidity mining scam. Get in touch with us today. www.globaltraceassets.com to check if you qualify for a dispute.